Hello friends, now I'll show you how to add custom event in Google App Designer. If you want the event, then you can go to the your Google App Designer and click select your element like image. I just add this image, then click the right button and add the add event. Then you want to then you click on the mouse over or touch as you want. Like I click onto the clip, then click the custom, then add custom section. Then you can add, I just add the alert, alert. When you click, then will show the alert message. All right. Okay. Thank you. Now I just preview on the go